beautiful people, welcome to my channel. So today I'm preparing chicken, as you can see. Please like, subscribe and share. Comment down below and tell me what you think about this chicken recipe. So we have cut our chicken into pieces. Then here I have a mixture of minced ginger, garlic, chili and turmeric powder and some lime. So we are going to marinate our chicken now. So guys, I didn't put a lot of spices today. I just added garlic, ginger, lime and few turmeric powder. So that is our recipe for today. So I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes to marinate. Okay guys, our 30 minutes is ready as I told you. I marinated it for 30 minutes. I'm going to cook it on this pan. So this pan is a non-sticky pan. It's a very high quality pan. So what I do is I add just a few oil, then I place my chicken like this. As you can see, so that's our chicken. So I'm going to cook it in a low heat for about 45 minutes, but after 10 minutes, 5 minutes interval, you keep on checking the meat. So what I'll do is that I will cover it and cook it. So this is how our chicken is getting along. As you can see, it's cooking slowly by slowly with a very low heat. So I'll cover it again. As you can see, our chicken is getting along very well. So let's keep on cooking it. So that the other side can cook. So our chicken is ready, as you can see. Please like, subscribe and tell me what you think about the chicken recipe. Garlic, ginger, lemon chicken.